Hello viewers, welcome to Adobe Solutions Daily News Analysis session. I am Lokesh Penugonda. This session is designed in keeping in mind the needs of aspirants preparing for banking, groups and such other examinations. So first, there is an article in the Hindu which is talking about Bona in Assam. So first, what is Bona? Bona is a mythology based theatrical performance. As you can see in this image, this is a theatrical performance which is generally practiced in the state of Assam. This is created by Saint Reformer Srimanta Shankaradeva, and he also started the Neo-Vaishnavite movement. So Srimanta Shankaradeva, who started the Neo-Vaishnavite movement, also created this Bona theatrical performance, and it is very popular in the states of Assam and the neighboring states. Second, there is an article which is talking about the passing of Kathakali maestro Mr. Kunhiraman Nair. So first we will talk about Kathakali. Kathakali is one of the 8 classical dances recognized by India, and it is from the state of Kerala. So Kathakali is a blend of dance, music, acting, dramatizes stories which are mostly adapted from Indian epics. So generally both the Kathakali and even the Bona is mainly dependent on the Indian epics and generally Hindu mythological stories. The practitioners use heavy makeup, stunning costumes, and the dancers enact the roles of the kings, gods, demons, etc. of the stories, which particularly makeup and costume. So the dancers who are practicing, who are doing this Kathakali art, they take the roles of kings, gods, demons and many more, and they use heavy makeup. And this Kathakali is a state dance of Kerala. And now we'll come back to Mr. Kunhiraman Nair. Kunhiraman Nair was a recipient of Padma Shri, and he was a seasoned Kathakali actor and very popular in north of Kerala. So let's look into the list of classical dances in India. First, Bharatanatyam, the state of origin is Tamil Nadu. Kathak, Uttar Pradesh. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. Odissi, Odisha. Kathakali, Kerala. Satriya, Assam. Manipuri, Manipur. Mohiniyattam, Kerala. From this you can identify that from Kerala we have Mohiniyattam and Kathakali, and whereas in Assam Satriya is identified as classical dance, whereas Bona, which we explained just now, is just a theatrical art and it is not classified as classical dances in India. Next, there is an organization BRO which opened a key pass ahead of the schedule. So this article is talking about a pass. Pass is a passageway between two mountains, and there is a Bara Lacha La. This is a mountain pass and it connects the Lahore district in the Himachal Pradesh to Leh district of the Ladakh, and this mountain pass is in Janskar range. So what happens is, in the Himalayan ranges, due to winter, due to snowfall, the passes, that is the pathways of the mountains, will be filled by the snow. And generally, the border road organization, this organization will clear the snow by March end or April end. But what happened now is, due to tensions at the line of actual control with the China, there is a need for speedy transport of the Indian troops to the border. So this passage has been cleared of the snow ahead of the schedule. Next, India's arms import down by 33%. This is an article which is reporting the annual report of the sales of India and other countries with regards to defense. So this report is given by the Swedish think tank called as Stockholm International Peace Research Organization. This Stockholm International Peace Research Organization, which is short form as SIPRI, provides annual reports of the defense deals and the defense budget of countries in the world. And in this report, it has stated that between 2011-15 and 2016-20, arms imports of India has been declined by 33%. It states that the main reason is complex import processes and also the idea of reducing imports and indigenizing the local defense equipment. So from this report, we'll take the important points. First, between 2016 and 2020, that is between these 4 years, the largest supplier of defense equipment to India are first Russia, second France, third Israel, fourth USA. This is against the common misconception that USA is one of the top defense providers to India, because as you can see here, USA is occupying 4th position regarding the defense suppliers, and first is Russia, second is France, and third is Israel. Also, between the 2016 to 20 period, India is the second largest importer of arms in the world. So who's the first? Largest importer of arms is Saudi Arabia, second is India. Next article, Supreme Court bats for Great Indian Bustard. It gives suggestions that underground cables may be used to prevent deaths due to collision with power lines. So first, what is Great Indian Bustard? As you can see in this image, Great Indian Bustard looks like an ostrich, but this is one of the heaviest flying bird. And as you can see here, as these birds fly, and if there are any power lines near the habitat, these birds might touch the power lines and might die due to electricity. So the Supreme Court is asking that the areas in which the Great Indian birds live, in these areas, rather than having power lines, we should have underground lines so that the birds will not touch these lines and will not lose lives. So why is the bird important? Because Great Indian bird, it is a state bird of Rajasthan, and it is currently having a status of critically endangered. That is, only few of such birds exist in the world. So it is important for us to conserve these birds. That is why Supreme Court is taking extra precautions and suggesting extra measures to save this bird. And in Appendix 1 of CITES, that is Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wildlife and Wildlife, that is life in the sense fauna and flora, it is listed in the Appendix 1. So what does it mean? It will prevent the transfer, it will prevent the buying and selling of Great Indian Bustard, so that the bird's conservation status will be preserved. Also, it is in the Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Act 1972. So, maximum amount of preservation and conservation powers will be given to this bird. Now, other statistics. Great Indian bird lives in both India and Pakistan. It is a state bird of Rajasthan. The largest population of this bird is found in state of Rajasthan. They are one of the heaviest flying birds in the world. They live in areas of dry grasslands and scrublands. Next article is talking about the proposed burqa ban in the Sri Lanka. So in the last week, what we have witnessed is the Sri Lankan cabinet minister announcing the proposal that burqas which are generally worn by Muslim women in many countries are planned to be banned in Sri Lanka. So this is a proposal, and also related to it is the Switzerland banning full coverings of the face in public. So in Switzerland, in the last week, what happened was there was a public vote which was held to know how many people are willing to, that is, how many people will support the ban of burqas or the full face coverings. In Switzerland, nearly 51% of the voters who participated in the voting supported the idea of full face coverings in the public. So now even in Switzerland, the burqas and other full faced coverings are banned. What type of questions we can expect from this? First, which country recently has banned full-faced coverings in public? That is Switzerland. Second question we can expect is, which country in South Asia or even Asia has proposed the idea of banning burqa in public? The answer can be Sri Lanka. So such type of questions can be expected in the examinations. Next, Anu Rani rewrites own national mark. Who is Miss Anu Rani? You can see in this picture, she is Mr. Anu Rani. She is an Indian javelin thrower and she is hailing from the state of Uttar Pradesh. She currently has the national record in the javelin throw, as you can see here. So what happened was, recently she crossed her own record and she is trying to get into the Olympics. So Miss Anu Rani, related to sport of javelin throw. This is what you are expected to remember. So this is the end of the session. Thank you.
Add-on Solutions. Add-on Desires.